Hello there, guys. We are at 198,000 miles there, so I'm going to service the car. I bought this is for cleaning the injectors. I bought the diesel filter. Okay, haven't changed this in about 50 to 60,000 miles now, so it's time for it to be changed. All right, this is the cabin filter, pollen filter, and then this is the engine filter, air filter for the engine. So I'm going to be doing this today. I've already changed the oil and oil filter just a couple of weeks ago. I didn't film it because I've done it so many times. If you want to see it, it's on my channel. Okay, it's very simple. You go underneath the car, remove the plug, the oil comes out, put back the plug, remove the filter, put new filter. That's it. But I'm going to be doing this now. Okay, let me just open the bonnet. Right, here we are. So we're gonna remove this cover. Just pull these like so, like that. Ever since I sealed that gasket on the upper part of the cylinder head, I don't know what it's called. We no longer have the car pulling because it used to leak oils. No more oils, so it's very, very good. All right, so first thing is first, you're going to start with the filter, then this, then the cabin filter there. So we have to remove these pipes. Very easy. You press here, then you pull backwards, comes out like so. Then you do another one, this one, you press the green tab, then you pull backwards, out. Right, this one, there's this little pin or bracket. You just put your screwdriver in there and then you pull it upwards just a tiny bit, and you be careful. If it falls down, to get it between the engine there, it will be a pain. You'll regret doing that for years to come. Okay, come on. All right, then you clip this together like so, and you pull out. Come on. Yeah, it's out. There we are. Let's put it here. Then there is this cable. You put a screwdriver this side and you push it out that way. So the screwdriver has to go here, underneath here, and you lift up a little bit. Okay, here, lift up a little bit, then you pull, because there are some hooks, just like you see here. There's these hooks. Okay, this. Okay, I need two hands. There is a cable. Okay, this cable, there is a little tab here. You have to press it down, not up. Press it down, then you pull out. All right, now it's time to remove two bolts. They're very tiny, 8mm. One is here, the other one is right there. Then the whole thing will come out. Right, this is it. Now I need a bucket to put it inside, then remove this three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you remove these, because it's dark, don't make a mistake and remove these. They hold the bracket. Okay, these, because I removed them by mistake. So it is these, they're 8mm. So then remove these 3. But you put this in a bucket, because once you pull this up from this housing, diesel will be pouring everywhere. Right, I've put a new one. This is it. There is the old one there. I've put it there, and this is the diesel that came outside. The filter, some of it went in here. Remember I told you that 2 weeks ago I changed oil. There it is. I haven't taken it yet to the recycling center. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and put it back in there. Right, it's back on. All the pipes are connected, the cable is connected. This is very simple because you just remove the cable and these 3 pipes, those 2 balls out. That's it. So it's done. Now I'm going to remove the carbon filter. You remove these for the cabin filter or pollen filter. These. Okay. Then you just let this come down like so. Down there, you just put your, you can just move this out like so, so that it gets off the way, like so. Then down there, there's no light. Down there is a little handle. Let's see. Right there, there's a little handle. I'm holding it. Yeah. So you just pull it like so. There it is. Put it there. Put your hand again down there. Then you'll feel the cabin filter. There it is. Ooh, very neat. This is the new one. Right? This is how it goes, like this. You look at the letters. The letters are upright, so it goes this way. And those arrows there, they show you that the air comes from the top going down. This is how it goes. Don't put it this way. You see the letters are upside down. It doesn't go this way. It is this way. Okay? So I'll slide it in there. It's in there. You can see it. Right there. There's the letters and the arrows pointing down. So I'm putting back this cover. The cover is back on. So you can see the handle is there. Okay, so now we put back this flimsy, wet French technology. Okay, just put it in there, pull it this way, like so, and then get them pins. Right there, like so, then clip, okay, so here we are done. All right, this goes to the bin and that goes to the bin. Now is the air filter. So with the air filter, we remove these for space, or else this cover won't come out. But I've seen some mechanics doing it without removing this, but yeah, I'll remove this, give myself space. That is out, it's flexible, because the thing is there is a clip right here. Right here, that you have to, this here, you have to press this down like that and clip. There it is hanging there. You see there? After putting back this, you have to press it back. This is why I'm removing this. Now the 3, I don't know what size Tox is. You just have to buy a set and try one by one. The cover is out. There is a filter. Oh my word, look how dirty it is. You see, because this car lives on the road. Look at that. Okay, very dirty. So we're gonna put a new one. from here. Okay, one hand doesn't work. In comparison, this is the old one, this is the new one, so it's going in. And please watch until the end, because there's a couple of things I want to say after this. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in there. Beautiful sitting. When you put this, make sure that all around you press it inside, okay, because you don't want it to be protruding. So all the way around you have to make sure that it's inside like this. Okay, all right, now the cover goes in. This cover has hooks at the back here, so they have to hook right there. Those two hooks go in there. I hope you can see. All right, then the screws goes back in. It's all done. Closed it, put this back, filter done, this one, and the pollen filter. So it's done, it's good. Now there's something I want to tell you what I've done here. Remember there was a bit of diesel in here? I've put that diesel into the filter using this funnel, okay, and then I added that into the funnel as well, because I want this to go to clean those injectors. Okay, there's still a lot in here. Once the fuel tank says empty, okay, that will be about 4 liters left in the tank. I'm going to put all this inside the tank so that it cleans all the system. It's for cleaning injectors. You have to clean your injectors from from time to time, so that they don't clog up. So this is why all this is here. This is going in the bin, and this is going in the bin as well. All right guys, it's been running for a few minutes now, so everything is good. So I'm gonna put back this cover. No leaks whatsoever. So I had a torch on my phone to light there to see if there's any leaks. Everything seems to be all right. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this cover in. Remember, this cover has some hooks there. You have to press it down here. So, and then like that. That's it. So it's good. Okay, let me just go inside. There it is, running fine. Don't worry about the service. Citroen has the habit of killing bulbs. So you go to diagnostics, says there, check reverse lamp. It has 2. Normally cars has 1. It has 2, so 1 is not working. The bulb is gone. This is why it's saying service. There's nothing wrong with the car. Okay, so that's good. Let me just turn the camera around so that you can see me. Right, as we have seen, diesel filter done, no leaks, no rattles, everything is thumbs up, is brilliant. Okay, now this car is getting very close to 200,000 miles. That's a lot of mileage for a little 1.6 diesel engine. Okay, so I'm going to change the way I've been servicing it. So what that means is every 5,000 miles, oil change and oil filter. Okay, every 20,000 miles, I'll be changing that diesel filter. I've been taking too long with it, over 50,000 miles sometimes. But from now on, 20,000 miles, I'll be changing it. Okay. The main reason I'm doing this is because this car is getting old. The efficiency will start going down. So I have to keep up the game. Okay. And change the way I'm doing things, especially coming to service, so that I keep that efficiency a little bit higher. Okay, I don't expect this car to run at 65 miles per gallon indefinitely forever. It's not going to happen. You know, it's getting old, so the efficiency will start going down. Until I, change my mind and buy another car, I have to keep up with this one and service it on time. Soon I'll be doing timing belt, so I'll film it just to show you how things are going. But other than that, everything else is going fine, no issues. So thank you very, very much for watching and supporting the channel. Please click like if you like the video. If you don't like the video, I'm perfectly fine with it. Just tell me why. I don't think that is a big ask. If you don't click like after watching the video, then that means there's something wrong. You don't like something. Tell me what it is, then I will sort it out, So thank you very much. And those who've been, helping, or they've been with this channel for a very long time, guys, thank you very much for that. And I will see you on the next one. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.